Garden.
Sky Garden! Yay!
Alright guys, pushchair. Yeah.
Yeah.
To the middle straight through, yeah.
Thank you. Doon yata. Come on, Jewel. Let's go. Pila tayo doon. Mami, ano ba? Okay. Ayan, ano yung view? Ayan. Welcome to the Sky Garden. Come on, Jill. Let's go, man. Ayan. Sky Garden. Mag-queue muna tayo. Where are you going? Where are you going? Sky Garden. Go, go. Ayaw kay mami. Doon yata eh. We are here now at the top of the Sky Garden. Yeah, 35 floor. Thank you. Come here. Look at that, be. Ayun. Ayan yung the charge. Ayan, look at that. Nice view here. Napakaganda ng view rito.
Just keep the buggy next to you.
Ah, here. Ah, this one. Ah, okay. Thank you. Where's the Ayanda London? Ayan, Tower Bridge. Ayan ang Tower Bridge, oh.
Ooh,
Look at
did you get one from me?
What?
Did you get one from me?
The London Bridge is there. Where? Ah, there's... Come on here. Come on, baby.
Falling down.
Falling down, falling down. Oh, come on here. No?
Why are you alone?
Yeah, of course. We buy later.
Hi guys.
Well, not in, on the outside. Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? The London Bridge? Ah, that's the London Bridge. Where? Ah, that one. Oh, nice view. Oh, that's London Bridge. Over the top, na? Nice, nice. Oh my goodness.
Over the cars. May wayo.
Saya, I know.
May wayo.
Malayo.
May robot dito. May robot.
Where's the... Ano yan? The charge, no? Shard. Ayan, the shard, no? Oh, doon tayo naman. Ay, ayan, naglalaro si Jewel. Are you happy? Oh, syempre, kanya-kanyang pwesto. Doon tayo muna. Oh, doon tayo. Sige, wala kayo, Jewel. Jewel, come here.
Dito. Dito kayo haharap.
Where? Ayan, City Hall. Ikot-ikot na! Ikot-ikot na. Okay. Alright. Oh, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Careful.
London Bridge.
Kaya nga sabi ko dito pa eh. Ayan. Are you happy? Are you sure?
I know very well.
Oh, careful, careful anak, careful anak. Oh, careful. Shh, Jewel, Jewel.
Pag nawala yung unicorn,
Oh, Jack.
nawala yung unicorn.
Makapatid kasi siya. Hi guys. Andito tayo ngayon sa Sky Garden, London. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung shard. Ayan yung shard. Then ayun ang London Bridge. Ano London Bridge, oh. Then, this is the City Hall. That way. Yan, yan. Valid 35 floor to 35 floor. Ang Sky Garden, right? Ayan, ayan, sa taas, oh. Ay, si Jewel. Jewel, hi muna. Hi!
Yes, we.
What happened to you?
Yes, we.
Ha? Where are you going? Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Nice, no? Nice, nice place.
Yes, we.
At may ano rin sa, ano, sa loob. Inside, they have a restaurant kung gusto mo magpa-resort. Di ba restaurant there? Ayan, sa ano, malawak siya. Kaya, what? Ayan, ayan. Ay, si Jewel. Jewel, come here. Ano ginagawa? Ano ginagawa mo? Ha? Come here.
Giusto perché mi viene a vedere che sei anche casa di bello, siamo nuovo.
Come here. Ayan. Come on, Jewel. Come with daddy. Ayan. Come, mami. Wala pa tayo kuha. Ayan. Si Jewel. Hi. Sky Garden.
Oh, ano yung Sky Garden? One of the tallest buildings.
Yeah. Ayan, makulit si Jewel. Meron pa pala dun sa taas yun.
Ayun, napupunta tayo dun. Wait lang.
Ay, kaya lang lalakad close. Paano yun? O, Jewel, anak yun kasi.
Halika dito, Joe.
Makagano kasi yan. Jewel, makulit.
Gusto ko lang videohan ang kakulitan.
Ayan o, kulit. Oh. Yeah?
Relax. Hopefully you enjoy this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait lang. Nice view. Ah, very nice view here. I'm from City Hall. That's a City Hall, London Bridge, Tower Bridge. This is the charge. Okay. Wait lang. Wait lang, baby. Wait, daddy. Jewel, come here. Iwan pala rito, pwede oh. Parehas oh. Jewel. Come here. Jewel, come. Ay, ito, madumi dyan. Ayun, akyat tayo dun, guys. Meron pa doon yung restaurant. Kung gusto nyo ano, Jewel, come here. Makulit kasi itong batang to eh. Ayan, may restaurant pa doon if you want, ano, ayan, here. Ayan. Oh, very nice place, guys. Napakagandang place. Kung gusto nyo mag-date, punta kayo rito. Reservation, okay, it's free. Only magbubok lang kayo pag pumunta kayo rito. Advance kayo ng 3 weeks booking. Ayan yung London Bridge, Tower Bridge. Sa likod. Andito kami sa upper side ng Sky Garden. Ayan, maraming ano pala rito. If you want some bar here, it's fine eh. Cocktails, all bars here. Gusto mo mag-date dito, it's a nice place. Jewel, anak! Jewel! Oh, ayan. Ayan, City Bar, City Garden. Yan. This is a 36th floor City Garden, no? Si Jewel. Hi! Dito lang. Dito kami sa 36th floor ng Sky Garden. 36th floor. Ayan. Kung nakikita niyo yung Liverpool, ano Ayan, that one. Ano nga yung close? City Hall na Liverpool. Liverpool yan, di ba? Come here. Oh, please. So this one is a 36th floor. So tingin natin sa ano, may 37 row, ayan oh. May restaurant here. His name is French Church Restaurant, no? Malamang magbubuk ka rito. Like that. A restaurant. A restaurant dito. Wow. Oh, dito lang tayo. Oh, let's go na baba.
Dito ka. Isa na pa dito.
Oh, nakatakot naman dito. Nakakatakot ako. Nakakatakot. Oh, Diyos ko. Nakakatakot dito, guys. Nakakatakot.
Okay, isa na pa here. Okay, isa na pa here.
Taas. Nakakatakot dito. Wala na, let's go na. Katakot dito. Ayoko rito. Nakakatakot. Ayan o. pag tinitingnan niyo sa baba, doon, tagos siya nandun sa baba. Nakakatakot. I'm afraid here. Ayan. Okay, tama na yung video. Mag-enjoy ka naman mamaya, Abi. Ayan, dito yung mga kumakain, nagpapareserve ka rito. Maganda. Yan, ito yung pag nagpa-reserve kayo sa restaurant sa Sky Gardens. This is the ayan, Prince Charles Restaurant. Ayan. Kamu na. Oh, careful eh.
Oh my hand this one is like
Parang lang, no? What's it called this? Parang poster. Nasa 36th floor kami.
okay, wait, 35th.
Oh, careful. Careful with it. Ano yung restaurant? 37 yun. Ha? It's a jewel, oh. Ay, sus. Let's go. Yabang. Saan? Ito yung public terrace. Saan? Ay, may aloe vera. May aloe vera. Aloe vera. Oh, give it. No stand.
Bawal mag-stand, no.
No stand up.
Close mouth. I'll sit down with daddy. Let's see.
Ha?
Padiyak naman yung ilong. Yan talaga.
Jewel. Saan si Jewel?
Yeah, I'll pause it. Yeah.
Let's go. Ayan, labas na kami. Daming tao. What? Where's Jewel? Okay, let's go home. Let's go. Saan tayo? Jollibee? Ha! Saan? Yung alin? Come on, baby. Picture mo din. Oh! Oh. Bye-bye. Yan, dyan. Okay na dyan. Yan. Jewel. Jewel! Careful, ha? Okay, guys. Stand up. Ayan. Okay, tapos na. We're going na. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Jewel. Mag-Jollibee kami. Jollibee. Now, Jollibee naman. Jollibee time! See you at Jollibee. Bye! Hello! nag-chicken doon si Jewel. Oh, careful, gravy. Ang kulit ni Jewel talaga, oh. Daming people, ah.
Usog natin, usog natin.
Daming people.
Daddy, inusog ko kasi, oh. Para hindi ka kailangan mag-ano. Here is for you, here is for you.